the music teacher from the Black Lagoon. We have to take a music class this year. The teacher's name is Miss Lanote. They say she dresses really weird. They say Miss Lanote wears armor and a helmet with horns and carries a pitchfork. She likes to sing whole operas really loud in your ear. All the kids who wear glasses have to hide them when she hits high C. Then they say Miss Lanote makes you sing too, in front of the whole class, in front of the girls. I can sing in the shower, but I can't sing dry and dressed. Also, you have to memorize 1,000,000 songs, 1,000,000,000,000 verses, and 1,000,000,000 notes. If you sing even one wrong, Miss Lanote zaps you with her laser baton. Zap! I'm going to sing solo. So low that no one will hear me. I heard Miss Lanote uses her pitchfork to keep all the kids on the same key. They say in her class, you don't talk at all. You have to sing even everything, even if you want to go to the bathroom. Isn't there a prison called Sing Sing? Music has a lot of bars, too. Then Miss Lanote tells you what kind of a voice you have. There are the altos, who sing through their toes, and the sopranos, who sing through their noses. I think I'm a baritone. I sort of growl. Rrr. Eric Porter's big brother used to sing with the sopranos, but now he's a baritone. They say Miss Lanote stretched his vocal cords with tweezers. And she forces you to open your mouth as wide as you can. Last year, one kid swallowed his own head. On top of that, Miss Lanote makes you pick an instrument. I'm picking something small and light, 'cause you have to carry your instrument home every day. That's because you have to practice. Instead of playing baseball, kids will be just playing the bass. Instead of hitting the pitch, they'll be keeping the pitch. I'll just play my yo-yo and be in the string section. They say if you don't learn an instrument, you have to be one. Penny Weber and Doris Foodle were both cymbals, and Derek Bloom was a drum. Ouch! You also have to learn the score, and it's a lot longer than Visitors 8, Home Team 4. It looks like a zebra with measles and goes on for pages and pages. It was all written by dead guys with funny names, like Mozart, Bach, and Beethoven. But the worst part is, at the end of the year, you have to give a concert in a white shirt in front of the whole school, your mom, your dad, and all of your aunts and uncles. Well, it's time to face the music. We march in and sit down. Miss Lanote isn't wearing her helmet today. She's dressed in musical notes. She's got musical notes on her shoes, on her dress, and on her ears. She wants us to sing, "Old MacDonald had a farm." I know that song. We get to make all the animal noises. I'm going to love music. Oink, oink.